In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for beginners. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing a small team, running complex projects, or simply setting up your personal to-do list, ClickUp has the tools you need to stay on top of everything. Today, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get started. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional workspace tailored to your needs. Let's dive in. First, head over to ClickUp and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to create a name for your workspace. Think of your workspace as the central hub for everything you do in ClickUp. You can name it after your company, your team, or even yourself, whatever fits your needs. Next, it's time to bring your team on board. Invite your teammates by entering their email addresses, and while you're at it, assign access levels based on their roles. For example, you might give full permissions to team leads while limiting access for others to ensure everyone has the right level of control. Then, take a moment to enable the Click apps that suit your workflow. Click apps are additional features you can turn on or off depending on what you need. For instance, if you want to track how long tasks take, enable the time tracking Click app. Or if you need extra fields for custom details, turn on custom fields. These little tweaks can make a big difference in how you manage your work. Now, to keep things organized, create spaces. Spaces represent big categories within your workspace. Think departments like marketing or development, or major projects you're working on. Once your spaces are set up, you can customize them further, adjust statuses to match your workflow, set permissions to control who has access, and enable specific Click apps for each space, depending on what's relevant. Within each space, you'll want to set up folders. Folders are a great way to group related work like specific projects, clients, or campaigns. Inside those folders or even directly in your spaces, you can create lists. Lists are where the day-to-day tasks live. They help you break your work into manageable chunks and keep everything running smoothly. When it's time to add tasks, be as clear and detailed as possible. Give each task a descriptive name, add a detailed explanation in the description, and include key details like who's responsible, when it's due, and how high of a priority it is. This ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be done. For tasks that are more complex, you can break them down even further. Use subtasks or checklists to outline smaller steps. This way, you can keep track of progress without feeling overwhelmed by the bigger picture. Need to track extra details? Add custom fields to your tasks or lists. These fields are perfect for things like client names, budgets, or any other unique attributes specific to your workflow. Once your tasks are set up, you can choose how to view them. ClickUp offers various views, like list, board, calendar, Gantt, or table. So you can manage your tasks visually in the way that makes the most sense to you. For instance, use the calendar view to see what's coming up this week, or switch to the board view for a Kanban-style layout. To stay focused, you can filter your views to display only the tasks that matter. For example, you might filter to show only tasks assigned to you or tasks with upcoming deadlines. If you find yourself repeating the same process often, save time by creating templates. You can make templates for tasks, lists, or even entire folders. This way, you won't have to start from scratch each time. Another way to save time is by setting up automations. Automations handle repetitive actions for you, like automatically assigning tasks when a status changes or updating priorities based on due dates. It's a great way to let ClickUp do the busy work while you focus on what matters. Finally, take advantage of dashboards and reporting widgets to track your performance and visualize progress. Dashboards can give you a high-level view of how your projects and team are doing, with widgets for things like task completion rates, time tracking, and workload distribution. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your work today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.